blues scale in F. So the F scale is going to start on F, and it's going to use an A flat, a B flat. Then I'm going to come and use the B natural, the C, the E flat, and I'm back to F. Here's the scale. 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same fingering going down. 2 octaves. Notice the 4 only plays on top. So you're doing groups of 3. Odd little scale. All right, so now I'm going to do it with a backtrack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 octaves. Now improvise. How the fingering, I use that to go up and down. Do it one more time. So you can continue on your own to improvise and practice that so that when you get to the audition, you can not only do the scale, but that you can improvise off of the scale.